These are 7 core principles of building real generational wealth. These 7 core principles are also secrets the rich want you to ignore to keep you poor. Now, let's get real for a second. Wealth isn't built overnight, and it definitely isn't built by luck. It's built by strategy, discipline, and timeless financial principles that never fail. If you're ready to break free from living salary to salary, these are the golden rules that will change your financial life forever. Number 1. Live below your means. But don't live below your dreams. Here's the truth. It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep. Every time your income goes up, don't let your lifestyle rise with it. That's called lifestyle creep, and it's a silent wealth killer. Instead, keep your expenses stable and funnel that extra cash straight into savings and investments. Remember, the goal isn't to look rich, it's to be rich. 2. Pay yourself first. Always before you pay bills, buy coffee, or shop online, pay yourself first. Automatically direct a chunk of your income into savings or investment accounts the moment it hits your bank. Follow the legendary 50-30-20 rule. 50% for essentials, 30% for lifestyle wants, and 20% for savings and investments. This single habit separates financial winners from everyone else. 3. Let time and compounding do the heavy lifting. The earlier you start investing, the sooner your money starts working for you. Compounding is like planting a tree. The best time was yesterday. The second best time is today. When your returns start earning returns, that's when real wealth acceleration begins. Give your money time to grow, and it'll eventually start growing you. Number 4. Put your money where it grows, not where it sleeps. Leaving your money in a basic savings account, you're actually losing value thanks to inflation. Instead, invest in assets that appreciate. Think stocks, real estate, index funds, or ETFs. Make your money hustle harder than you do. 5. Diversify like a pro. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset types and industries so one bad market move doesn't wipe you out. Diversification isn't just smart, it's your financial safety net. 6. Crush bad debt. Learn to use good debt. Understand that high-interest debt, especially from credit cards, is financial quicksand. Pay it off aggressively and never let it pile up. But not all debt is evil. Strategic debt, like a mortgage on an appreciating property, can actually build wealth if managed wisely. 7. Protect what you build. What is the point of creating wealth if you can lose it in an instant? Safeguard your assets with solid insurance. Health, life, home, auto, and always keep an emergency fund covering at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's not paranoia, it's preparation. Always remember, wealth isn't about luck, it's about law. Follow these core principles consistently, and your money won't just grow, it'll multiply. Also remember, every financial empire starts with one smart decision, and that decision can start today. Share this video so you can touch lives.